You read so many books to know it all, yet fail to ever read your heart at all. You run to enter temples and mosques, but you never entered your own heart. You rush to holy shrines to play a part. Would you dare enter the shrine of your heart? Every day you fight Satan, but you never fight your own ego. You're quick to attack the evil one. Yet pride is a battle you have not won. Bulleh Shah rahmatullah alai, you try grabbing that which is in the sky, but you never get hold of what sits inside you. You grab for a star you can control, yet fail to grasp the light in your soul. Let the race end, my friend. Stop seeking all this knowledge, my friend. Only an alif is what you need. Stop trying to be the one who knows, for God is one. You need to know. End the race, my friend. God is all we need. God is all. Baba Bulleh Shah rahmatullah alai. Yes, my dear friends, Sufism says that fall in love with your creator. Now, $1 million question: how? How to fall in love with the creator? No, it's not that complicated. It's very simple. You just have to love his creation. Yes, to fall in love with the creator is nothing but to fall in love with his creation. Yes, serving God is nothing but serving his creation. Serve and love his creation with kindness and love, just like a mother who loves her child.